So you've bought a quality second-hand car. This particular one is a 3 Series BMW on a 54 plate. Not much wrong with the car. It is a bit grubby inside, but being a 54 plate car, you don't really want to be spending a huge amount of money getting car cleanse to perform a full interior cleanse. So the next best thing we suggest is to have just the fabrics deep cleaned and sanitized, and then have the car valeted. A valet is going to cost you probably something like £100, and they'll clean the dash, they'll clean the windows, and they'll wax the bodywork, and they'll do the wheels and things and make the car look really nice. What they can't unfortunately do is a decent job on the fabrics, and that's where we come in. So if you have a quality used car and you don't really want to be spending a huge amount of money getting it cleaned, then just consider having the fabrics cleaned. So we're going to deep clean these fabrics. We're going to flush out all the dirt and the spillages that lie beneath the surface. Okay, we're going to make them look really lovely again, and then the customer can then have the car fully valeted, and that'll breathe life into this old girl here. So we'll come back to this in a bit. We'll see how we're getting on with the seats. With our specialist cleaning product applied to the fabric, you can clearly see it's doing its work, and it's now breaking down whatever that is in the fabric, and it's kind of separating it from the fibre. And what we do now is we scrub the seat gently, and then on to the next step, which is extraction. So we're at the extraction stage now. We're rinsing with nothing but hot water, no chemicals whatsoever. I'm going to show you what a difference it makes. See the steam coming off that? That's nearly 100 degrees of water temperature there. And this is why we charge more than car valeters, because we simply give you a better service. And there you go. So two and a half hours later, what you're looking at is a very clean seat. We flushed out all the dirt and the grime and the spillages and everything else that was in the seat, in the fabric, and it's looking really nice now. It's a little bit damp. We usually ask our clients to keep the windows down a little bit if possible. Unfortunately, it has started raining, but just keeping the window down a little bit allows air to move through the vehicle and to remove that damp air that's within the cabin. So the rear bench seat, remember how that looked before? Looking nice. Again, the old saying, you can't make a silk purse out of a sow's ear. Maybe not, but you can certainly improve how fabrics look. And if the car, apart from grubby looking seats, is actually a really lovely straight car, why put up with having grubby, nasty looking seats when you can have really nice looking seats? So there you go, guys. Thanks a lot for watching once again. For more information, visit carcleanse.com.